Why are elbow dislocations so much less common than shoulder dislocations? Elbows have less flexibility than shoulders. And to be honest, we only ever see elbow dislocations from people that fall on their hands. That's why you'll see it often in skateboarders. Shoulders can pop out just by putting a t-shirt on. This shoulder design kind of sucks. Ball and socket joints are much larger and have more weak areas than elbow joints, which makes it less stable, but it can rotate a lot more. So when it comes to treating these, it's a matter of stabilization. We need to be able to put that needle into the structures that will hold these joints together. For the elbow, there's a lot of extra structures such as nerves, vessels, all the way around, and can be a little bit more challenging from a technical skill. Shoulders, we're able to get at certain areas to make that shoulder much stronger and get people back to playing sports again. So shoulder dislocations happen more often, but they're easier to treat. The key is come in early. Don't come in the 10th time you've already dislocated it. That makes it much harder and the tissue is much more injured. Come in after the first time.